fam, welcome back to my channel. I just woke up, it's like 5 a.m. right now, and I am so excited because yesterday one of my packages came that I've been looking forward to, and I'm so excited. So we're gonna do a little unboxing, and then we have a huge day, and it's going to be so fun. Today is my second day of Vlogmas, but in reality it's Vlogmas day 4, but I'm doing 12 days of Vlogmas. So for me, welcome back to 12 days of Christmas episode 2. I got a new MacBook, and it's because my MacBook that I use literally every single day, I've had it for a few years, broke. Don't know what happened. It literally just stopped working, so I needed to get a new one, so I was able to edit, and I called Apple. They said they weren't able to fix it, and I was thinking about getting a new upgrade, but I wasn't going to do it this year. I was going to wait a little longer, but now that that happened, I kind of needed to. So I have the box right here, and I'm so excited. Let's unbox this together. I am so excited. I will tell you guys what I'm doing in a little bit, but first, I feel like we just need to get this done with because I've been waiting so long to do this, and I wanted to film it, and I'm not home right now, as you guys can tell. I'm at my boyfriend's house because of what I'm doing today, so that's why I needed to wait, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited. For those of you wondering, I got the 14-inch MacBook Pro with Apple 3M Pro chip. This is a 512 gigabyte for SSD and an 18 gigabyte unified memory. And I got this in space black. So let's open this. I am so excited. That was satisfying. Oh my gosh. Now I know this probably looks weird because I'm literally sitting on a couch and don't have a table in front of me, but this is the best lighting for the time of day it is, so that's why I'm here. First things first, let's go through the little box. So, oh, this is kind of cool. This is completely different than the charger I have right now. So it's a rope, and then it has this little charging import, which I never actually had before, and I guess this goes into the cube, which is great, and it is just like a black little rope, but this is definitely different than the MacBook ones I have. And beautiful, they give a cube. Oh my gosh. So this is what it looks like, and then I guess this is what actually charges the new MacBook. And then of course we have our little pamphlet. This is the Designed by Apple in California pamphlet. Let's see, the sticker comes with it. Is there no sticker? Oh, there is. My little stickers, I like these. That's everything that comes in the box. Now let's do the actual MacBook. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm like so scared. Oh my gosh. I am not setting this up right now because there are so many things I have to do today and I don't have time, but I really just wanted to unbox that. I will let you guys know how I like it. I could do a little review if you guys want me to. But today I am so excited because I am going to New York City. I told you guys in my first Vlogmas upload, which was actually uploaded on December 1st, that it was my boyfriend's brother's birthday, and we're celebrating it today, and we're going to Broadway. We're going to see Back to the Future, and I'm so excited. I love Back to the Future, so I think it's gonna be cool to see it on Broadway. Then we're going to see the Christmas tree, and we're also going to a really nice restaurant called The Palm. I'm pretty sure it's a steakhouse. So I have to go to the gym, I have to get ready, so I had to get up early to have time to shower, do my hair and stuff like that. So I literally woke up so early to do that. I'm going to run to the gym right now. I am really upset right now because I went to the gym, I took a shower, I put my hair in these braids because I wanted my hair to look nice and kind of like beach wavy for the city, and then I fell asleep. And now my hair looks crazy. I have like no time, but I really need coffee, so I'm going to go get coffee, and I need to stop at Target because I need stockings to wear to the city. It is so cold, and actually for New Jersey it's not even that cold today. Yesterday in the beginning of the week it was like 28 degrees. Right now it's only 40 degrees, but in the city it's always colder because of the wind, and I just know I'm gonna be really cold, so I need to stop at Target to get stockings so I'm not cold, because I think I'm gonna put them under my leather pants. If I even end up wearing leather pants, I might wear a skirt, so we'll see. But it's literally 9:45. We don't have that much time because I need to be ready, I think the latest by 11:30. So we're gonna do this as fast as possible. First, I'm gonna go get coffee. I haven't ate all day and I'm literally so hungry, but I don't have time right now, so I'm just gonna wait for the city and hopefully like grab a snack on the way. So I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna go to Target and to get a coffee, and then we're gonna start getting ready. Whenever I go to Target. There's just not a time I can go in and buy one thing. So I didn't buy anything I needed because the stockings that I needed them to be sheer, and Target did not have my size, so I have to go somewhere else for those. But as I mentioned in a different video, I'm doing a giveaway, so I got some stuff for my giveaway, which I'm not going to show you guys, but then I also picked up some other stuff. So I got edible glitter because I want to make drinks, and I feel like this would look really pretty in it. It's Christmas colors. I got the Chapstick Christmas edition. They have sugar cookie vanilla latte, peppermint, and candy cane. I got this for my friend for Christmas because she's been looking for that. I got this really cute notebook that I'm not showing you because it's for you guys. I got this really cute sticker book that I am also not showing you. And then I also got a Burt's Bees cream and a little chapstick, and I feel like this is so cute for a Christmas present or a present in general. That's everything I got. I didn't even get my coffee yet. I am actually really stressed on time right now. I should have came to Target tomorrow with my mom since I'm getting lunch with her when I had more time, but I didn't do that, and now it is at 10:30. So I have to go home now and quickly get ready because I have no time. Another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about was I don't know if I'm allowed to bring my camera into a Broadway theater. I did last year. It was my very small camera, and I think they just didn't see it because when we walked in, we were running a little late, so they weren't really like thoroughly checking the bags. They were kind of just like peeking in, and I feel like the guy really just didn't see it. But the camera I was filming on last year is broken. It was my Canon G7X, and it's like the smaller one. My camera now is a Canon EOS M50, and I use it to vlog, but I really wouldn't say it's the most convenient vlogging camera, even though I love it. It's just bigger than the Canon G7X, and I feel like they won't allow that into the theater. So I'm not going to bring my camera to the city. I'm gonna vlog on my phone because when I went to the city one time, I brought my camera and I went up to a rooftop bar and they wouldn't let me bring my camera up. So I had to like check my camera in the coat check area, which was fine. I just took my memory card out just in case, but it was annoying because literally so many people up there had their cameras with them, and I guess they just didn't tell them they had a camera. I was like, are you kidding me? People are literally up here taking pictures and everything on their phone, and if you have a no camera policy, that's completely fine. I 100% understand, but then don't allow some people to bring it up and some people not to. Like, that's just what I didn't like. But I also was very anxious the whole time because I didn't want anything to happen to my camera, and I didn't think it would just like disappear because I knew it was with coat check. I was just scared that they were gonna drop my bag or something like that, and I don't want my camera being dropped. And I feel like if I bring it to Broadway, a similar thing could happen, but I don't think they have coat check there, so I don't even know what would happen. So I've come to the conclusion that I'm just going to vlog on my phone, and if the audio is a little weird, that's why. I do have the new phone, so I think the camera and the audio should be fine. When I vlogged on my old phone, it was a little weird, and I couldn't vlog on my actual camera for some reason. I had to vlog on an app because whenever I airdropped the footage to my computer, it would like distort the footage, so I'd always have to do it on an app. But I tested it on this phone this morning and it seems to work, so that's good. It may have also been my computer. As I told you guys, I got a new computer. Maybe that was my computer's problem and not my actual phone's problem. I don't know, but that's a little update. Also, look at this cute little Squishmallow I got. I like putting Squishmallows in the corner of my car for holidays, and I don't know, I just think they're cute. Look at how cute he is. He's from Five Below. I forgot what his name was, but I'm literally obsessed. It's a little penguin with a wreath and a Santa hat. I love it. But okay, I really need to go. These are leather pants for my boyfriend's mom's, so is this jacket. This is the viral bodysuit from TikTok, and then I'm just wearing these boots. And I think I'm going to put this little hair bow in my hair. It is from American Eagle. We are going to go to the city now. The driver just got here that Chad's dad got for us, so it should be really fun.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you do.
My hair always looks a tad crazy whenever I have it like curled or in braids, and then the next day I wake up and it's just like, wow. But I wanted to give you guys an update. So yesterday was really fun. I couldn't really vlog that much because the city was so packed. I haven't seen the city like that in years. When I tell you, I could not move in between people. There was so many people there. There was announcements going on like in Times Square by Rockefeller Center to say, be careful, keep your pockets shut, like stuff like that. And me and my boyfriend's mom were just like, what is going on? I don't know, it was just so chaotic. It was so fun, don't get me wrong. There was just so many people and it was so busy that it was really hard to film. I tried my best though, and I got some footage for you guys. As you know, we went to Back to the Future. When I tell you that show was so good, my mouth like dropped. The animation of that play was amazing. There was not a boring moment. I literally didn't take my eyes off the stage the whole time. It was so good. I would highly recommend going to see that on Broadway if you're looking for a good show. That is definitely the one. This isn't sponsored in any way. I'm just actually really in love with that show and very proud because that was amazing. I like actually don't remember another show that I've seen where I wasn't distracted the entire time. Then after that, we went to see the tree. That is where most of the chaos started because it was busy going into the city, but it wasn't that bad. Like it was the usual traffic. We got dropped off right by Winter Gardens, which is where the play was, so it wasn't that bad. But then walking from Winter Gardens to the tree, realistically, it should have took about 9 minutes, but we went the complete wrong way. So then we had to walk like 20 minutes the other way, and it was fine because like it wasn't that big of a deal. But the way we walked back, it was so crowded, literally could not move. There's people cutting me off, and it was just a very stressful moment because there was nowhere to walk. Not to mention every single road was closed by the tree, as a lot of you probably know. So it made us even more like squished together. So it was interesting, but we finally got there. It was beautiful. The tree looked great. I love going to see the tree, and they had little igloos set up where you can sit inside, and I really want to do that, but they're so expensive, so I won't be doing that. But I think it is a cool concept. And then we had to walk all the way back. I was in high-heeled boots, and that was not a good idea for the city when you're walking a lot because my feet were hurting so bad. But then we had to walk to dinner. That wasn't that bad. It was just getting out of the tree area. Once we got out, we had to pass Winter Gardens again, and we went to the Palm restaurant, which was like 3 minutes from there, and it was so good. I got a 8-ounce filet mignon with some fries and mac and cheese, and then I got a orange type of margarita, which was amazing. And then it took around like, I want to say an hour to get home, which usually with no traffic, I live around 30 minutes from the city. 20 minutes of traffic really wasn't that bad. It was more going in where we saw some traffic, but not that bad. But it took our driver an hour and 45 minutes to get into the city when he was coming to pick us up, and that was around like 7 o'clock. When I got home, I literally just edited a video and went to bed. Right now, I'm going to my mom's house. We were supposed to go out to lunch, but my mom's doing this diet, so she wants to go out when she's not doing it. So I think we're gonna have food by my mom's house, and then my mom wants to bake some stuff. I have to work later, so we have a few things we have to do before I do that. But first things first, I need coffee, so that's what I'm gonna go get. I am at my house right now. I actually just filmed a video. It is so gloomy and rainy out today. I'm just not liking it. I went to my mom's house. We actually didn't have lunch and we didn't bake. I had to do something for work, so I had to make it very fast. I just filmed a video, Christmas related, and I'm excited to get that posted, but I have to wait for brand approval. And I am filming another video actually now, and then I'm going to stop and get coffee because believe it or not, I still did not get coffee. I am actually like on the verge of falling asleep. I'm so tired because I didn't sleep in today. But I have literally so much Christmas stuff in front of me and I'm so excited about it. I just put my Christmas tree skirt on my tree, which I don't know if you guys can see, but I think it looks really cute and I'm very excited about that. I ordered my tree and all I have left to do is film one more video, and then I'm gonna go to my boyfriend's house and help his family put up their Christmas tree and decorate their Christmas tree, which I think is going to be really fun. I'm going to film this video really quick and then we're going to go get coffee and go to his house. I just finished filming 2 videos, which I'm really proud of myself for because I was so tired today, but I left my ring light at my boyfriend's house, so I had to use a flashlight, like the flashlight on my phone, to actually film myself, and now I literally can't see. I'm seeing stars everywhere. We are going to go get coffee in like 30 minutes probably because I have to let my eyes like readjust because they're really hurting. One thing I did want to show you guys, so I decorated my tree in my other video. Please ignore the mess, I have to clean that up, but I didn't feel like I had enough ornaments, so I got these little ornaments that I'm going to put on the tree in a different video. And then I want to put ribbon on my tree as well, but I think it looks really cute and I'm very excited. I am also really loving this tree skirt. I think it looks so pretty. I did buy an extension cord for that. We're just waiting for it to come in. So everything is coming together very nice. I am obsessed with the star. Oh my gosh. I actually never ended up going to Chad's house because I was at my house and I realized that I needed to upload my footage to something onto my computer for a brand. So I went to go upload it, and I guess when I was at the store filming what I needed to film, I was filming the floor and not the product. Like, I guess when I was actually filming the product, I thought my camera was recording, but it wasn't. And then when I actually hit the record button to stop the film, I guess I started recording the floor. So when I was uploading the footage, I was like, where is all my footage? And then I was like, oh my gosh, I'm literally recording Target's floor. Like, I wasn't even recording the product. So then obviously I had to go back and actually do what I needed to do, but I was like, how does that happen? So I guess lesson learned, always make sure you're actually filming when you're trying to film something. Usually I do because I can see the number at the top, like recording. I don't know why I didn't this day, or I don't know actually what happened, but I'm going to Chad's house now. I actually just picked up Jersey Mike's because I'm so hungry. It's 3 p.m. and I didn't eat all day. So I got a whole wheat sandwich with turkey and salami. I personally like whole wheat bread better. I don't know why, except when I'm in an Italian restaurant, then I want regular bread because I love it so much. I don't know why I just went on a rant about whole wheat bread, but it's 3 o'clock. I am almost at Chad's house. I'm actually parked right like on his street. Other than doing the tree today, I think that's all I'm gonna do other than edit. So I don't think I'm gonna keep filming because I have 7 videos pre-filmed that I have to edit today because, like I was telling you guys, I'm in my busy time for work right now. So I have no time to actually do it during the week. So I have to pre-film everything, kind of like get it edited and just scheduled to post so I don't stress myself out and so I don't get overwhelmed. Please do not take that the wrong way. I absolutely love what I do. I love filming. I love making content, and I'm so grateful for every single one of you. I'm simply just saying because of my corporate work schedule this week, it's a little stressful for every single aspect of my life. So I'm basically just doing my editing and everything on the weekend so I can have it pre-filmed so I don't stress myself out during the week, if that makes sense. So I will see you guys in my next vlogmas episode, which is going to be really fun, so stay tuned for that. I'm just waiting for brand approval and then I'm going to post it. It's a Christmas video and I think you guys are going to love it. Thank you again for watching, and if you stayed up until this point of the video, comment a snowflake emoji.